we have finished off the consolidated account. Okay, I have finished the consolidated statement of financial position. Already I have finished. Then the last week we have completed the P&L account. Today we are going to start the accounting for branches. Accounting for branches. Today I have distributed the accounting for branches. You know, when you discuss the sole trader, we have to prepare the final statement. Only one owner. How many owner we have? Sole trader. How many owner? Only one owner. There we have to prepare the not consolidated. Under the sole trader, we have to prepare the statement of financial position and what is that income statement finished off. Come to the second one. When we discuss the partnership, the partnership, there is a requirement. We should have at least 2 or more partner. If we have 2 or more partner, we have to prepare the accounting form is called what? Partnership. There we have to prepare the various account, partners account, capital account, income statement, final statement should be prepared. Partnership. We should have at least 2. Okay, 3 partners, 4 partners, 5 partners. Based on their partnership agreement, they will be distribute their profit and loss based on the agreement. Third one, we have discussed the what account? Company accounts. There are also various accounts. Under that, there are various type of the companies. Various type of, whether it is a private company, it is a public company, if it is an offshore company, listed company, we know how to prepare the financial statement based on the LKS, accounting standard, saying how to prepare, what are the items to be disclosed, what are the items to be included, all the information given under the what act? Company Act, and the preparation of the company accounts also we have discussed. Is it clear? Right. After that, we have discussed the other form is, what is that? Consolidation. Under consolidation, there is no requirement 1 owner or a 2 owner or a public company or a listed company. When we are preparing the statement, consolidated statement, there should be what and what company? We should have what company and the what company? Parent company and the subsidiary, or we can have a sub-subsidiary, or we can have an associate company. Many varieties we can have. The simple idea, we should have a parent and we should have the subsidiary companies. Is it clear? There are various subsidiaries. We have a 2 or 3 sub-subsidiary. There is an investment company. We have to prepare consolidated. There we have discussed the consolidated statement of financial position, consolidated income statement, P profit and loss income statement. Is it clear? Today we are going to look at, this is also one of the accounting form. What is that? Branch. Today we are going to discuss the branch. Branch is not like a sole trader, not like a partnership, not like a company, not like a consolidation. Partnership is different form. Company is different form. Sole trader different form. And today we are going to discuss the branch, also different form of accounting. Condition is, there is no need for a parent. There is no need for a subsidiary. We don't want to buy more than 50% ordinary shares. We don't want to control majority of the directors. Those are the conditions apply only for a consolidation. Here, the branch, we have separate entity. We have a many entity. There should be a 2 condition. Number 1 is, what is that? Head office. There is no parent. Head office should be there. We can have a 1 head office. There may be the various, what is that? Various branches. Various branches can be run by the organization within the country or outside the country. Within the country or outside the country. We will discuss later. If there is branches within the country, that is called local branches. If there is any branch in India, Pakistan or any other Middle East, that will be called as a what branch? Foreign branches. We will discuss foreign branches and the local branches. But at to this point we all know, there will be the 1 head office, there will be various branches. This is branches 1 located in Kandy, branches 2 located in Kurunagala, branches number 3 that is located in Bold, branch 4 located in Jaffna. Is it clear? The condition is we should have a head office. There is a head office located in Colombo, located Kandy branch, Kurunagala branch, Bold branch, Jaffna branch, Betticola branch, Ampara branch. You can have many branches we will be running, and we should have one head office. It is called what accounting? Branch accounting. Therefore, these are the form we have discussed. These are the form company. Now we are going to discuss the branch account. How to prepare the branch account? What do you mean by the branch? How the accounting treatment will be given for a foreign branch? How the accounting treatment will be given separately for a local branches? What are the items? What are the requirements to be considered under the accounting? Is it clear? Right. Therefore, the head office should be there. How many head offices are there? How many head offices? Yeah, if you want to do the branch account, one head office is there. That head office can be Oliville. Head office can be Oliville. Branch may be Colombo, branch may be Singapore, doesn't matter. The location, the head office, the location is not compulsory. We should have only one head office. There may be the various branches. The branches may be foreign branch or a local branch, doesn't matter. We will discuss separately how to treat the local branches. How to record for foreign branches, we will discuss separately. Now you have to understand the meaning of the branch is we should have one head office. There may be the various branches, one organization running the same industry in a one place located in a particular place as a head office. There may be the various. Is it clear? Right. Under that, under the branch, there are two types of the branches. Under the branch, there are two types of the branches. Number one is called what branches? Number one is called what branches? Dependent branches. Number two is called independent branches. There are two types of the branches I have given in my handout for information. Just to look at. There are two types of the branches. Number one is dependent. Other one is what? Independent. You know the simple meaning of the dependent and dependent. If you are a dependent, you depend on someone. Say you depend on father and mother. If you are independent, you are not dependent on anyone. You can do your own work as a independently. Therefore, you have given, say for example, after 20 years, after 18 years, you will be getting the major. Therefore, major can decision, any decision under the law, you will be the single person. Therefore, you are not a dependent. Is it that we have studied the law also? Yes. After 18, based on the Sri Lankan constitution, you are major. Before that, you are minor. Before the major position, you are depend on your father. That is why, in the case of branch also, there are two types of the branch. Number one, dependent branch. Other one is what branch? Independent. Dependent branch and the independent branches are the two types. Their characteristics, their business, their accounting treatment totally different. That is why they have classified whether it is a dependent or a what? Independent. Is it clear? First, like a foreign branch and the local branch, there are two types, dependent and dependent. Now we will finish off the dependent branches. After that, I will move to the what branch? Independent branches. Dependent branches are the branches running the same business. We will say example, head office located in Colombo, branch is located in Jaffna. Okay, it is a branch account or not? Head office located in Colombo, branch located in Jaffna. It is consolidation or a branch? Branch. Head office is there, branch is there. We have to prepare the branch. We have a parent located in Colombo, parent company is there, subsidiary is there. Therefore, we cannot prepare the branch account. We have to prepare the consolidated. Where there are parent and subsidiary, we should go for under the consolidated account. Where head office and branches located or running the organization under the one roof, we have to go for now we will look. I told you one head office located in Colombo, one branch running the same organization in Jaffna. We don't know whether it is a dependent branch or a independent branches. They will be saying this will be the dependent branch, Jaffna is the dependent branch, or a Colombo is the independent branch. They will be given for a simple characteristics. We have to look at whether it is a dependent branch or an independent branch. Some criteria are there. Simple idea. If you are running the organization dependently, you can do the business. You can purchase. Say, Jaffna, I will take the example. Jaffna is the branch, Colombo is the head office. Jaffna, purchasing material, selling the material. Purchasing goods, selling the goods. They can hire the labor, they can pay the labor payment. They can find out the one place, the office or a factory, anything they can hire, that they are able to pay the what? Rent, insurance, all the income and expenditure will be made by the what branch? Jaffna branch. The problem is they are not in a position to record all the financial records. All the accounting records they cannot prepare. Who will be prepared? Who will be prepared? Head office will be prepared. Therefore, you have to have a simple criteria, simple face identification is which company running the organization, they are independently prepare the set of accounts or not. Say, I am the Jaffna, I cannot prepare my accounts. I can do the business, I will summarize, I send regularly, maybe after 2 days, after 1 week or 3-5 days, I can send the summary to my head office. Head office prepare income statement or a final account for me. That is called what branch? Dependent branch. I am the Jaffna branch, I am doing the business, I am doing my own account, set of accounts I am preparing. That time I will be treated as a what? Independent. Independent. Now you can look at the meaning of the independent is you are doing your business, you are doing your accounts alone, you don't want to depend anyone. You don't want to ask anyone. If you want to depend anyone, if you ask anything from the anyone, you will be treated as a what branch? Dependent branch. Simple idea. You have to verify whether it's a dependent branch or an independent branch is if you are able to prepare your own set of accounts. If you are able to prepare your own set of accounts will be what branch? Independent. Independent you can do that. First criteria, dependent is saying you can do your business, run the organization, prepare all the statements. You cannot prepare your own set of accounts. You cannot prepare the final accounts. You cannot prepare the primary accounts. You will be treated as a branch, but the branch you are what branch? Dependent. Understood these two? Right. Again, if you are a dependent branches, can you do the accounts? No. On behalf of you, who is going to do it? On behalf of you, who is going to prepare the accounts? Head office will be prepared. You will be summarized. Say my sales for last week 10 million. My total cost is 3 million. My expenditure so and so. My expenditure will be 2 million, 3 million. I have hired these are the labor. I can list out the labor name. Your rental in expenditure. Electricity or insurance. Various income and expenditure can be recorded. Will be sending to the head office. Head office will prepare what account? Head office will prepare their accounts for them. Do we want to send the item to prepare the accounts if you are an independent branch? No need. You can do the business. You can prepare like a partnership company or a sole trader like that if you are independent. If you are a dependent, you cannot prepare. Who will be prepared? On behalf of you, who will be prepared? If you are a dependent, the all income, all your expenditure will be bared or shared by whom? Your parents. After getting the graduation, after getting the job, you independent, you can do your own expenditure, you can give to your parents also. But here also same principle will be applied. You are dependent branches, we are saying you cannot do that, please send the summary, I will prepare. Who will say? If you are a dependent branches, the HO, head office will be prepare the accounts on behalf of dependent branches. There are 4 types. Number one, debtor system. Number 1 is called what system? Debtor system. Under the debtor system, HO will prepare the accounts for the dependent branches. Second method is we will go for a stock and debtor system. Number 1, Number one is what system? Data system. Number two, stock and data system. Third one is, what is that? Final wholesale. Third one? Final account system. Final account system. The fourth one is what system? Wholesale system. These are the four accounting systems available for a dependent branches, not for an independent, because no need to go for a dependent branches system methods, because whatever the way you can record your accounting data, you can prepare the final statement. This is the separate story. I want to know the dependent branches will be prepared how many methods? Dependent branches will be prepared for how many methods? 4 methods. Out of 4 methods, what account will be prepared, what company is the what company is the branch, whether it is a dependent or a dependent, who is the holding company or who is the head office, what is the method to be applied. These are the things to be discussed under the what branch? Dependent. If you are independent branches, these are the 4 methods applied. I have given in my handouts how to record, what are the meaning of 4. Just now I am asking. These are the 4 accounting techniques. These are the accounting systems applied for independent. No, these are the 4 will be applied for dependent branches. Understood what I am saying? Right. Look at it. Up to now I have given the I have given the introduction. First one, given the branch, types of the branches. Next page I have given the page number 2. What do you mean by that? What is that? What is that? Second one, dependent branches. Under the dependent branches, I have given systems of accounting. Number 1, data system. Number 2, stock and data system. Number 3, final account system. Number 4, wholesale system. Up to this point, I have given. Okay, right. Look at the next one. If you are using the what system? Now we will discuss the first system. One by one we will discuss. Now we are going to move to the data system of what branch? Data system of what branch? Data system of dependent branch. Is there a data system, stock system, final account system, whole system applied for independent? No. Just you can prepare income statement, final accounts or a statement of financial position. You can prepare the cash flow statement. If you need any statement can be prepared alone under the independent branches. Is it clear? Understood? Right. Look at data system saying. Number 1 is the data system. The data system saying, if you are a dependent branch, I will take the same example. Head office located in Colombo, branch located in Jaffna. Jaffna is the dependent branch. Jaffna sending the summary today or Tuesday. Every Tuesday, the branch sending the summary to the HO Colombo. They are preparing the accounting system under the what? Data system. This is different. We are not moving to stock and data system. Once finished off this system, I will move to there. First assume that the Jaffna branch send the item, the summary to the HO. HO preparing the accounts for a dependent branches. They are using the method is what method? Debtor system. If you are following the data system, the data system saying the HO will be prepare only one account for a respective branches. Say, I am preparing the account separately for what branch? Jaffna branch. There will be the debit and also there will be the credit both sides. HO will be preparing one ledger respectively for each and every branch. Jaffna branch, how many ledger have under the HO? Jaffna branch only one. That particular branch has another one, Candy branch, therefore they will be preparing Candy ledger that will be separately Candy branch. The simple idea, under the data system, the dependent branch will be sending the summary to the HO. HO will prepare the following the system of debtors. Now, HO only one ledger prepared for the what branch? Jaffna branch. No 2, 3, 4. But if you are coming here, we have to prepare the various ledger. The number 1 saying each and every branch having only one ledger. From this ledger, we have to record debit or a credit ultimately we will be find out the profit or what? Profit or a loss. That will be recognized by the preparation of the what office? Head office. Understood what I am saying? Say your purchase are there, your sales are there, you have collect the money from your customers, you have given the discount, lost is there, you purchase from someone, you return to them, there will be some damages item, how to record? Everything will be recorded, debit or a credit. Under the accounting system, whatever the income will be recorded, whatever the expenditure recorded, assets recorded, liabilities recorded, equity recorded, withdrawal recorded, everything can be recorded, plenty of records, number of millions of activities, whether it is a transaction or an event, you have to record only how many records? Only 2 records, one may be debit, other one will be credit. Is it okay? We have a 25,000 records, all 25,000 records will be recorded, debit and credit, finished. There is no third category. That is why here also all the summary will be prepared, debit or credit in the what branch? Jaffna branch. Is it clear? Right. Debtor accounting system. This is a system followed in case of branch of the which branch? Small branch or a big one? Big one or a small? No. The small branch is applicable, most applicable for under the debtor system is small. You can, if you have a small branch, you can easily take a summary. If you are a big branch, it takes a more weightage to summarize your all the record. Small one, you have only 5 purchase, 3 sales, 2 laborers are working, easy. You have a number of laborers, you are doing the million of purchase and sales, it is difficult to record under the data system. Therefore, I have given my notes. This system is followed in a case of branch is simply or most applicably for a small size. Under this system, we have to prepare, what is that? I have given in the bold one, what is that? Under this system, we have to prepare branch account. Jaffna branch, Oliville branch, Candy branch, they will be prepared one open separately for each and every branch in the books of whom? In the books of branch or in the books of head office? In the books of head office, I have to prepare Jaffna branch. I am the accountant of the HO. I will get the summary from the Jaffna. I will prepare Jaffna branch account. Same way, same details I am receiving from the Candy. I will prepare the Candy branch account. Same time, I am receiving the another branch. Say for example, Kurunagala branch. I am preparing Kurunagala branch. It is debit and the credit. Now I have how many branches? Yes, I have 3 branches. Jaffna, Candy, Kurunagala. I have what office? Head office located in where? Colombo. Colombo is the head office. Jaffna, Kurunagala, Candies are the branches. They are sending the summary, say every week. I am getting the summary from them from each and every week. I am responsible for preparing the what account? Branch account separately for each and every branch under the right. Very good. If you are following the data system, I have given the key points. The page number 2, last part. Credit sales, shortage, surplus. If there is a shortage in the stocks, if there is a surplus in the stocks, if you have recorded the bad debts, discount, etc., that will not be recorded in the what? If there is a credit sales, if there is a shortage, surplus, or a bad debts, discount, etc., will not be recorded in the branch. Is it okay? Say, example saying, cash sales is 15,000, credit sale is 5,000. Their total sale is 20,000 or 15,000 you want to take under the data system. You will take only 15,000 because 5,000 is the what sale? Yes, very good. Credit sales, shortage, surplus, bad debts, etc. will not be taken. You have to omit. Even if you have a data, don't record. Second one, depreciation of the fixed assets. Whose depreciation? Whose depreciation? HO or a branch? Branch depreciation given 8,000. We are not going to record, that will be omitted. Third one, if there is any petty expenses, say the HO recorded the petty expenses, branch recorded I purchase marker of 50 rupees, that is the summary sending to the HO saying don't record that petty expenses. Petty expenses is not a matter, it is immaterial, that is why we don't want to record. Petty expenses, no entries made in respect of petty expenses incurred by the whom? Branch out of its petty case. Last one, sale of the fixed assets. The dependent branches, they sold 5,000 or 50,000 worth of the net book value machinery they sold. Machinery is the fixed assets or a non-current assets. So branch sold the machinery, unused machinery or a used machinery, doesn't matter. They are given the information, the branch, Jaffna branch sold 50,000 worth of the machinery to the third party. They have collected the money 50,000. The dependent branch data system saying, okay, they can send the summary details of the fixed sales assets, no problem. But when you are doing the accounts, what is that? They are saying, system saying, record or not to record? Not to record. What system saying? Under the data system. Okay, these are the 5 are the very important points. That's why I have taken the title is points worth noting. Points worth noting, or keep in mind those are the 5. Number 1, I will repeat again. Credit sales we are not going to record. Depreciation not record. Petty expenses not to record. Sale of the fixed assets also not to record. If there is any income received from the insurance company by the dependent branches, that also not to record. Is it clear? Right? Understood? Understood? You want the time? Understood? Clear these details? I have given the information or introduction of that. Understood or not understood? What about that? Understood or not? So we move to the example. The example number 1. ABC and Co. of Colombo has a branch in where? Kandy. Colombo is the what office? Head office. Kandy is the branch. Goods are sent by the HO at invoice price, which is at a profit of 25% on what? Cost. Who is expecting 25% from profit? HO branch. 25% profit expect by HO or a branch? HO from all expenses of the branch are paid by the what office? Head office. What about that? Is there any simple whether it is a dependent or independent? Yes. All the expenses bared by the HO. Therefore, Jaffna is the what branch? Dependent. From the following information, prepare branch account even in the what office? That also indicate that you are required to prepare the branch account in the HO office, means again that is what branch? Dependent branch. Otherwise they will ask, prepare the branch account, is no need to ask a head or a branch. No. They are saying prepare the branch account in the HO office, means that is their what branch? Dependent branch. Again they are saying, okay, I have bolded one, look at. Prepare the branch account in head office when the goods are sold at a what price? Cost. Second one, you have to prepare the what price? Invoice price. Simple idea. The HO, simple idea. HO send the item to what? We have discussed this same where also. Consultation, that is called what trading? Intra-trading. Intra-trading will be eliminated under the consolidation account. Now, HO send the item to branch. Their cost is, say, for example, their cost is how much? Again, they are expecting a profit of how much? 25. Selling price of the HO, how much is that? Selling price of the HO? 125. Selling price of the HO 125, cost of the HO 100, profit of the HO how much? 25. This is the profit of 25 rupees expected by the HO from the branch from Jaffna, or in the example saying Kandy. Okay now? Right. This will be recorded 2 types. Number one, if you are adapting the cost, you want to take 100. From that, how much your gross profit, that is the end point of the candy branch account. Second choice, you are not going for a cost, you are using the what price? Selling price. If you are going for a selling price, how to prepare the branch account under the what system? Debtor system. That is the question they have asked. Understood? I explained the question also. What is that? Bolded one. If you are using the cost, prepare the candy branch account. If you are using the selling price, prepare the candy branch. Understood? Bolded one. That's why I have bolded to understand. When goods are sold at a cost price B, when goods are sold under the, what is that? B is when goods are sold under the what price? Selling price. Selling price is 125. Cost is only, okay, now the 100 and 125 will be given the different treatment. Is it clear? Right. They are given, all the items given in the opening balance, goods sent to branch, sales, goods balance, and all are given in the what point? Assume that these are the cost or invoice price. Say, I will take the example. Opening balance is there, stock is there 110. 110,000 stock carrying 100% or 125. 125 because simply they are saying what price? Invoice price. Invoice price of whose? Invoice decided by whom? HO. HO cost is 100. Don't worry about my cost. I am expecting from you 124. I am the HO. You are a branch. I am saying don't look at my cost. My cost clearly, currently I am saying my cost is 100. I am expecting a profit from you. You have to give to me for this particular marker 100 or 125. 125 you have to give me. I am the HO. My cost is only, I am expecting profit on you. Therefore, the treatment will be vary. Now we will look at the only we have to prepare what account. How many ledger we have to open this example? Only one. The title will be candy branch, debit and the credit. Okay, no? Right, look at it. I have explained you the details in the theoretical part. Please go through, and once finished off the example, you will be more comfortable. Okay, I am preparing this one. This will be debit side and also this will be credit side. Now we have to open a branch. What is the name? Candy branch. I am recording here candy branch and the branch account. Simply, can you put a title? Can you put a title here? What is the title? A or B? They have asked A. Please put the title A. When goods are sold at a cost price. That is the title. You have to write down here when the title, because we have to prepare two parts, A part and the B part. A part asking what is that? A part asking what is that? Cost. B part asking the what price? Invoice price. Cost is there, invoice price there. That is why go for part A when we are using the what? Right. The number one opening stocks there. If there is a opening balances, we have to record in the what side? Debit and credit. Now we have to talk about only debit and credit. If there is a opening balances, we have to record in the what? Opening balances, debit. I'm writing here opening balances. There are three types of the opening balances given. Number one is what? Stocks. Under that, I am recording here stocks. Stocks are there. The second opening balance is given. What is that? trade receivable or a debtor balance. Third one we have given what case? Yes. Those are the three items given as an opening balance in the start point of the OA account. There is no problem for a petty case, there is no problem for a debtors, they have given in the apparently the same figure. The problem is for what? Stocks. Stocks 110,000, that is cost plus margin or a cost. We are considering what method? Therefore, we want to pick up only the cost. How much is that? 110 divided by 125 multiplied by 100 is the cost. 88,000. I am taking the 88,000 instead of how much I have given in the example, 110. I did not record 110 because the method asks you go for a what method? Cost method, right? Okay. Number one, debtor balance, no problem. You can record 17,000. Third one, you can record 1,000 rupees. There is no problem. Okay. Yeah. 88,000 is the stocks. I made the adjustment only for the stocks because stocks given in the invoice price 110,000. I have converted to 100%. That will be 88,000. No more adjustment 17 and 1,000. That will be the debtors and the petty cash branch. Okay. Next one. Goods sent to branch. What is that? Goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. Who received the item? Who sent the item? Simply. Like a head office and the branch. Already we have discussed the what office. Already in the consultation. Parent company send the item to subsidiary or a subsidiary item sent to the parent company. Those are the two ways we can communicate. Now here, what company send the item to what company? Goods sent to at branch at what price? Invoice. Who send the item? HO send the item to branch. Therefore, branch account, that's why I am asking, we want to know branch account debit or a credit. That is to confirm. To confirm whether it is debit or a credit, I am asking. If branch sent to HO, definitely I want to put in the credit side. You are losing. But certain criteria here they are who receiving, branch receiving, who is sending? HO sending. Can I record debit side? Yes. Goods received from HO. Goods received from the HO, again they have given a what price? They have given again what price? Invoice price is given, therefore that should be converted to, could be converted to where? How much is that? 200,000 cost plus margin. We are considering only the what? We are considering only what? 200 is 125 multiplied by 100 maybe 160,000. 160,000 is the cost. Their expenses made by the whom? Expenses made by the whom? Head office, because the branch is the dependent branch. Case account is credit of the HO, debit of the what account? Okay, alright. Expenses, I am writing here expenses. How much expenses? Rent are there. How much is that? 6,000 rent, no need to translate. This is clearly they have given. Wages also given 2,000. Next one, salary also given. How many thousand? 9,000. Is it clear? Case account is credit, debit. Whose account debit? I have given the. I have given the. What is it? Attendance given. No. Right, attendance given. Please record the one. All the item I have recorded, 20,000 is there. The second one, I have recorded all the item which are belongs to the expenses made by the HO. First line saying, all the expenses will be borne by the HO. Same principle applied. Rent 6,000, wages 2,000, salary 9,000, paid by the HO on behalf of the branch. Okay. Remittance made to HO. Look at by to, you have to understand the proposition. What is that? I already told you, goods sent to branch. Therefore, branch received. Now look at remittance made by HO, remittance made to HO. Made to, therefore, who received? HO received. HO received. If we pay the money, whatever the amount payable to the HO automatically will be reduced or not? Reduced or not change? Reduced. These are the amount payable by the Candy branch to HO. Now remitted means some amount given to the HO automatically will be, what is that? A raised bet automatically will be reduced. Therefore, I am writing the title, case account is debit. Whose debit? Case account is debit of whose ledger? HO. Branch account is credit. Simple idea. Already I told you, case account is credit of the HO, expenditure will be recorded debit side of the branch. This is opposite. Now, case received by the HO, already case paid to employees or rent or salaries. Okay. Case sales is there. Under that, case sales of 26,500. Next one, case collection. Case collection also there. Two-way case collection 210,000. Okay. Case collection to 10,000. The normal case 26,500. That's all. Goods returned by the branch at invoice price 4,000. What is that? If you receive the goods from the HO, we have debited in the branch account. If you are sending, you ask the item, we got the marker for a 200,000. You are a user. You hire from the bookshop. You purchase 200,000. You ask me, I am the seller. You ask me, give me 200,000 worth of the marker. All should be black. I send 4,000 worth of the blue. You will be accept or return to me. You will be returned to me because you have requested 6 black. I send the item black as well as the blue. I am in a position not to accept because your configuration is different. I am the seller. I want to accept it. You are not in a position to accept. You record black. I send blue. Now this item returned by the branch that included here. Therefore, the 4,000 should be taken out. If there is no return, your total purchase 160. If there is a return, that should be taken out from the branch account. Therefore, 4,000 will be goods return. I am writing here goods return. Goods returned by the HO. Can I record 4,000? No, that should be converted to cost. That will be 3,000. 3,200. Therefore, 3,200. Okay. Next one, opening stocks are there. This time we have a balance end of that. I am recording here closing balances. The same 3 items are there. Number 1, stocks. Number 2, debtors. Number 3, petty cash. These are the 3 opening balances are there. Closing balance also there. I don't have any problem to record petty cash 250. Even I don't have a problem to record debtors balance also 20,000. The problem with the, what is that? Stocks. Stocks closing balance given 130, that is 125. I want to record only 100%. Therefore, 130,000 divided by 125 multiplied by 100, 100. 104,000. Is that clear? That's all. Those are the information we have been given. Please find out there. What profit? Net profit. These are the items I have given. Please go with that. This is the data system. There may be the total amount 2, 10, 100, 300. Therefore, the bigger amount we are debit or credit. Credit. Can you find out this figure? 0, 5, 9. Three, 6, 3, 9, 5, 0. Yeah. 3, 6, 3, 9, 5, 0. You have to recognize this figure. How much is that? How much? 80, 80, 80, 950. 80950. Okay, right. This is what profit? This is net profit of the what branch? This will be transferred to what statement? Transferred to income statement. Transferred to income statement. I'm writing for you. Transfer RRBD, transfer to P&L account or income statement. Transfer to income statement. X recorded. Your profit is 80,950. You can enjoy. Who can enjoy? Can depart. Come to branch summary given to the HO. HO accountant prepare the what account? Branch. Whose branch? Candy branch account. Candy branch account prepared. Therefore, 80,950